So we are at this place called Good Vibes Cafe, as you can see, and I just thought I'll do a it's pretty nice. Wow, it's got potted plants, and this is how it looks here. Oh, this is so cute. This is how it looks. So this place is in near Manikonda in Hyderabad, and it's pretty crazy too. Wow, this is just so beautiful. Anmiko, I can give you the other phone. So this is, if I were to take a look, these are some of the things that you would find. Oh, awesome. And what are these things? This is, believe it or not, we are here at 7:30 in the morning. We had thought we'll come here for a trek. We came to Manikonda, but it started raining, so that's how we are here. This is a cute place. It's called Good Vibes Cafe, and we are in Manikonda, Hyderabad.